Academy, and today we will read the third chapter of class 6, the Tenali Paints a Horse. Okay, and in this chapter we will see how Tenali defeat other by his wit. It means knowledge, okay, or wisdom. Before the start of the chapter, let us have word stop of this chapter. See, wit means humor, brain. We generally heard you have a good sense of humor. It means you have a good brain, okay? Ignorant, illiterate, not aware. It means unknown. Clear? Third one is promise. I promise you will have a pen next morning. Okay? Promise means hope. I hope you will be a doctor. Next one is eagerly. Eagerly means thirsty, waiting, exciting. It means you are waiting for something excitedly. Okay? He is eager to know the fact. Clear? Third one is penalty. Penalty means fine, toll, punishment. Clear? And next one is trail. Trail means leading, moving ahead and dragging something, moving behind. Okay? Trail, lead, lust means lavish, profuse, grand. He is a lavish life. It means grand life, having no difficulties. Okay? And third one is, last one is jiggle. Jiggle means making, laughing loudly, tahaka marka. Okay? And gesture. Your gesture, motion of your body is very fine, and the way you moving is very, very impressive. Okay? And the last one is forehead, frontal bone. Frontal bone means this is brain, you may call, or the bone that is in front of our body. Okay? Okay, my dear friends, let's start the chapter, and we will go through the line by line, and it's a urge, it's a request to all of you, please go through the line by line, find out the difficult words, write note down in your copy, and then solve the questions of this chapter. Okay, let's start. This is the Maple book, chapter number 3. Okay, see. Tenali Paints a Horse. Tenali Raman was a poet and jester at the court of King Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar. Jester means who always makes laugh, who makes fun of others. Okay? He was famous for his wit and intelligence. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. Wit means knowledge, sense of humor and knowledge. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. This is the example, and this play shows his wit, how he was strong. Okay? See. Read and enjoy the story. Let us start. First of all, we have the details of the character. And in this chapter, the character is Raja Krishnadev Rai. Raja Krishnadev Rai, King of Vijayanagar. We have already heard in the history of classics. Raja Krishnadev Rai, King of Vijayanagar, Tenali Ram. Tenali Raman, it is written, but we should know that his original name was Tenali Roy, Tenali Ram. Poet and jester at the court. First courtier, second courtier, third courtier, and fourth courtier, Darbari. Okay? Before actually start of this chapter, I would like to tell you, you will get the short summary of this chapter in the end of this chapter, both in English and then after in Hindi. Okay? See. One day, Raja Krishnadev Rai and his courtiers was watching the painting of an artist. It means king along with his partners and mantris watching of art. The king and most of his courtiers were impressed with the paintings. It means all the members of the court were impressed by the drawing. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. It means among the courtiers and having the intellectual, it means he was the intellectual among all the courtiers and he was displeased with the painting. Everybody likes, but except Tenali Rama. Okay? See. Raja, that is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. It means the painting is really very nice. I am feeling the scene of a village. It means this is the actual painting, real painting. You are a very talented artist. Here is a bag of gold for you, which I'll be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful painting like this. It means the king is, Krishna Dev Roy is telling the artist that you have drawn very well painting. Now you will get a prize, a bag of gold, and if you, it will be pleasure for me if you stay in the court and draw the more pictures for me. Artist, your highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your majesty. It means it will be an honor for me. Tenali Raman, I do not think they are such great good painting at all. I don't think so. It is not a great painting. It is a normal painting. Raja, how can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. It means the king is opposing the views of Tenali Raman. No. It is a kind one. Tenali, for one thing, where is the other side to these two men? It means Tenali's told, I want to know where is the other side of this picture. You can only see their right side. For another, where is the face of that cow? Where is the face? Raja, what an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing. It means that king is telling everything cannot be drawn. You must have to imagine. There is the half portion of the cow. Tenali, I bet I can paint better than that if I could have the paints. Then I could paint better than him, better than the artist. Tenali told Raja Krishna Dev Roy. Raja, I bet you a bag of gold that you can't. I will give the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month if at the end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the one we saw today. I promise you a bag of gold and the title king of artists. Now the Raja told Tenali Raman, if you can draw half better than this painting, you will have a bag full of gold and you will be titled as the king of artists. Okay, and you have time of 1 month. Tenali, I agree. It means I accept the challenge. After a month, I will show you a better painting than that one. Okay, my dear king, I will show you the better painting than this. The courtier started smiling and sniggering. Sniggering means laughing unkindly. It means having no reason. Okay. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. Tenali looks angrily at the giggling courtiers and walked out. It means Tenali saw everybody was laughing loudly and he saw everybody's and walked out. Okay, I have accepted the challenge and I will draw the painting more beautiful than this painting within 1 month. Okay, see. First courtier, you have really caught him out, sir. He thinks he is the smartest person in the world. First courtiers told the king that, sir, you have caught him this time. He is caught in the grip. First guy. Second courtier, he has really painted himself into a corner. I had liked to see him get out of that one. He has really painted himself into a corner. It means the painter has painted himself in the corner. I had liked to see him get out of that one. Okay, I will see what will happen. Rather, I would not be too certain of that he really is very clever. I am not sure he can do anything because Tenali Raman was a great and clever person. Okay? Scene 2. A month is over. A month is over. The courtiers are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring in his painting. They are smiling and whispering to each other. It means they are smiling to each other and asking what would happen today. I am sure Tenali would be defeated and he would be punished. Or courtiers were sure that the Tenali could not do this. He is unable, he is not capable. Okay, it is beyond his capacity. Next one. Raja, so what do we do today? What I will do today? First courtier, sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman shows you his painting. This is the day after the 1 month. 1 month has been spent, and now the day has come for Tenali Raman to bring the painting before him. Raja, where is he? Where is he? Find him out. It's late and almost time for my lunch. It is getting the time for me to take the lunch. So call him. Second courtier, perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he has lost track of the days. It means he was so busy in his painting that he has forget that the day has arrived when he has to produce his painting before him. Okay. Next one. Third, perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to be part with it. It means the courtiers are making joke upon Tenali Raman. Raja, well, I can't wait anymore. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he has lost his weight and a bag of gold. Please go immediately and tell him that he has lost his weight and a bag of gold. It means he is defeated. Okay, next one. Fourth courtier, it is only fair that if he doesn't make good of what he boasts, he should pay a penalty. I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold. And the fourth courtier said, sir, I think if he doesn't produce the painting more good or more better than this one, then he should pay the penalty and a bag of gold. Okay. First courtier, indeed, yes, I agree, sir. Yes, he is saying right. Actually, he should pay the penalty. Third courtier, oh, there he is. Oh, he has come here. He is coming. He seems to have brought it, but it is covered with cloths. It means now the painting has been brought by the Tenali and it was covered with the cloths. Tenali comes in with two men carrying a painting covered with a sheet of cloth. When Tenali gestures, the men lift the cloth to display an empty canvas. Okay, Tenali brought the painting in this way, put in and that is covered, being brought by the Tenali, and everyone was shocked why it has been covered. And after that, when courtiers uncovered the painting, he found that the canvas was empty. It means nothing was drawn there. Nothing was drawn there. Okay, the painting has only a few curved strokes of black on the right hand edge and a few lines of green at the bottom below it. It means the painting was incomplete and only the lines and the curves were drawn in black and green. Tenali, good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. It is a magnificent black stallion with a white star on its forehead. Forehead means this portion. Stallion means a male horse. Okay. This is the male horse, and magnificently it has been drawn, having white stallion, white star on his forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. Saddle means the hair. Okay. I wondered if I should have the rains trail like that. I wondered and I am surprised that if I had such type of you may call decorations, you may call a structure. Raja, what is this? ये क्या है? I can't see a horse. Where is horse? This is very insulting. This is very insulting. You are trying to make me a fool of me. There is nothing on this canvas. You are making me fool and nothing in drawn on the canvas. Where is the stallion? Tenali, well, you were the one who told me that you have to use your imagination when you look at paintings. Okay, sir. You are the first person who told me that everything cannot be drawn. You must have to imagine. आपको imagine करना होगा. Okay. Imagine that the waist of the horse is just outside the canvas, grazing at some lush green grass. Look, you can see the edge of it straight in that corner. Sir, now imagine the half portion of the stallion on the canvas and some half portion is not drawn. Imagine that the stallion was grazing the lush green grass. Lush means you have heard the lush green campus having more green grass. Okay, Raja, you old rascal, you have got the better of me. You had got the better of me. It means, you rascal, you have proved that you are more clever than me. Who told? The king to the Tenali Raman. Okay. Minister, where is that bag of gold? The king told, where is the bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman, the cleverest man in my kingdom. Give it to the Tenali Raman as a prize to Tenali Raman because he is the cleverest, most clever person in my kingdom. That's why. Now, we have learned from this chapter that if we say something, we have to accept it in a same way. It means tit for tat. Tenali Raman beat the counter the beat of king by his own method, on his own opinion. First, the king told that the painting is a work of imagination, and in the similar fashion, the Tenali Raman proved that painting is a work of imagination. Okay, dear students, हम लोग आपको एक शॉर्ट में बताते रहे कि एक पेंटिंग आता है दरबार में तेनाली रमन और ये जो राजा थे कृष्णदेव रॉय, उनके दरबार में सभी कहते बहुत अच्छा, और तेनाली रमन कहते नहीं, क्या खाक अच्छा है, इससे अच्छा तो मैं पेंटिंग कर सकता हूँ। अब राजा को इस पर गुस्सा था, कहता तुम कर सकते हो, अगर तुम इसका आधा भी ड्रॉ कर दोगे तो मैं तुम्हें प्राइज दूंगा। फिर बात डिस्कशन चलती है कि ये नहीं कर पाएगा, ये कर पाएगा। फिर होता है कि 1 महीना का टाइम दिया जाता है, 1 महीने के बाद फिर वापस आता है, तो फिर कहता है कहाँ है वो पेंटिंग दिखाओ। तो एक कैनवास रहता है, कैनवास मतलब आप ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं कैनवास, और इस कैनवास में थोड़ा सा ये रहता है और ग्रीन ग्रास रहता है। तो अब कहता है कि इसमें पेंटिंग कहाँ है, तो कहता है सर द हॉर्स इज आउटसाइड द कैनवास एंड देयर इज अ ग्रास ओनली एंड जस्ट इमेजिन दैट हॉर्स इज ग्रेजिंग। नाउ अब राजा समझ जाता है कि ये क्या कहना चाहता है, और तब बोलता है तेनाली रमन राजा से, कृष्णदेव रॉय से, सर पेंटिंग इज ए वर्क ऑफ इमेजिनेशन। इन दिस वे तेनाली रमन काउंटरफिट द वीट ऑफ द किंगडम, उसको हराया उसी की चाल से। तो हम लोग इस चैप्टर से क्या सीखे? थीम ऑफ द चैप्टर, we have learned that we should produce the idea that is acceptable by us हम लोग को वही आइडिया देना चाहिए जो आइडिया हम भी एक्सेप्ट करें, और इफ इट इज करेक्ट देन इट विल बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय ऑल ऑफ अस. So my dear students, please go through the line by line of this chapter and read carefully, find out the word meaning, note down in your notebook, and then after understanding both in English and Hindi, attempt the question answer. If you have problem, then ask me through the comment box. Thank you. Take care.